teachers, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very happy to have the opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is 76th Independence Day celebration just 76 ago. We got have independence from the British. The story of our freedom struggle is very big, which cannot be described in one day. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. 75 years ago, the British ruled India. They came to India on a pretext of trade and gradually took everything under their control and made us their slaves. Then on 15 August 1947, India became independent after many agitation and battles. Many heroes sacrificed